Hi, I'm Wei, Head of Integrity at Grab. Are you taking a ride or making a payment on the Grab app? My team is here to protect you from bad actors both on and off platform, and to keep your rides and your payments safe from fraud and risk. Keeping our users safe is a round-the-clock job, and no one can tell this story better than some of my teammates, some of who have been around since the very start of Grab's integrity journey. So folks, over to you to share 10 cool things about our team and the important work that we do behind the scenes.
Alright, I'll go first. So we are a team of about 300 Grabbers, both from tech and operations, focused on building trust, safety, and identity solutions. We are one of the oldest tech teams in Grab and now spread across our R&D centers in Jakarta, Kuala Lumpur, Bangkok, Manila, Ho Chi Minh City, Singapore, Beijing, Bangalore, and Seattle. So really across the world to help us build the most trusted and safe platform. We have a big and dedicated team focused on safety because that's really at the core of what we do. In fact, Grab started to make commuting safer in Malaysia. Today, we are very proud to say that in every country we operate in, Grab rides are up to 2.5 times safer than taxis in Singapore. And taxis in Singapore are great and really safe. So that's really a very high bar we set for ourselves. Our big goal, zero preventive incidents. And we are expanding into other facets of safety as our businesses takes on new challenges in deliveries, Mart, Express, and more.
Like Varun said, safety is our top priority. That's why we've invested in features to keep both drivers and passengers safe even before the trip begins. One of these is selfie technology that can analyze digital images at scale to help keep our users safe. For our drivers, this is initiated before the driver can go online. This is to ensure that only registered drivers can pick up our passengers. For our passengers, this is derived from a bunch of different data points. One of those is how long it's been since you've logged on. This makes sure that we prevent people from using our services for illicit activities. Something really cool that our team did during the COVID pandemic was to adapt this technology to determine if drivers were wearing their masks. It took the team only 1 month to do and has 99.5% accuracy. We also know that personal data is really important to people, especially when our passengers and drivers need to communicate with each other. That's why the team came up with a way that they can talk to each other and chat to each other without sharing their real phone number. Our app also detects and prevents drivers from taking screenshots where there's personal information involved, like your name. Something I'm really excited about is our content filtering. We're working with the Grab chat team to find a way to prevent abusive messages. By investing in a solution with machine learning, we're going to be able to detect and prevent fraudulent, abusive, and phishing messages exchanged over Grab chat.
To build on what Tom has said, machine learning and data-driven technologies form the backbone of many of our safety features. For instance, when you are taking a ride with GrabCar, did you know that we capture a lot of signals, such as speed, acceleration, braking, and phone usage from the driver's mobile phone? Combine it with a lot of other signals, such as time of the day, GPS, and traffic conditions, in order to detect possible safety incidents. If our system senses a risk, the passenger will immediately get a notification asking if everything is okay. Based on the data we collected, we also generate regular safety reports for the drivers to help them improve the driving behaviors. We take a similar approach when we are looking at online bookings and transactions. Using machine learning and algorithms to detect fraud in real time and at scale. Our in-house model captures millions of data points from Grab's platform, analyze them, and respond in less than a second. For example, we found out fraudsters tend to use our app differently. They might select a random drop-off point because the ride is fake anyway. Or they may make multiple food or Mart bookings just within a few minutes. By picking out the patterns instantly and tracking them over time, we can predict with high certainty whether this is a fraud behavior.
While we have a great fraud protection system as Chenjia shared, what we also want to do is to prevent any fraud or security incidents from happening in the first place. This is where we proactively assess risks on our platform and use tools like intelligent authentication to improve security and build confidence, especially when it comes to monetary transactions. Users are asked to complete authentication not for every transaction but based on the level of risk to balance user experience and risk protection. For example, if you haven't logged on for a while now and want to make an expensive purchase using GrabPay that seems out of your normal spend pattern, you'll be prompted to enter your Grab PIN. A new feature we've launched for desktop-based transaction with some merchants is QR code scanning. This method offers a sleek checkout experience for users while also reducing the risk of fraud significantly for us.
So by now you have heard so much about risk and fraud, and you must be wondering, is it really that bad a world out there? Well, sadly, yes. Over the years, we have seen fraudsters getting more and more sophisticated. On the Grab platform, we have had organized attacks where they have created multiple fake accounts to exploit our promo and incentive spends. We've seen them phishing for user credentials and taking over the accounts to spend the GrabPay wallets. And hence, it's always a race to stay ahead of them. As the saying goes, know your enemy, know yourself, and in 100 battles, you will not be at peril. To find out how fraudsters operate, we do occasional sting operations to understand their ways of working and the modus operandis. We use all this intelligence to feed back into our mechanisms, algorithms, and technologies. And don't worry, we ensure that the teams are kept safe when they go on such missions. Well, while we were building this technology and systems, we realized that there are other platforms who could benefit from this too. And therefore, we are partnering with other platforms to offer them device fingerprinting, AI algorithms, and risk analytics. Our goal really is to build a digitally safer Southeast Asia together.
Thanks, team, for sharing. All the features and technology you heard about is made possible by a much bigger group of Grabbers who are serious about protecting Grab and its users and are committed to our trust and safety agenda. We're proud that we are a diverse team of more than 20 nationalities spread across 9 Grab centers. And this is a team that really knows how to have fun. So big shout out to all the Integrity Grabbers across the globe for the great work that you do every day. So to all of you watching this video, the next time you take a Grab ride, order a food delivery, or make a financial transaction, know that we have your back. This is a team that is quietly working in the background to keep the platform trustworthy and to keep you and your loved ones safe.